everyone, it's Nikki here and I am bringing you another product review today. So you ever scroll through Instagram or Facebook and see some of those cool little gadgets and products that just catch your attention because they're kind of gimmicky? So today I'm bringing you one of those in the form of makeup. It is the Winky Lux Flower Balm lip balm, and what it is a pH reactive lip balm. So when you get it, it's clear, and when you after you apply it, it turns to a pink shade that is supposed to match your skin tone based on your pH levels or something like that. So I just wanted to give it a try because I thought it was cool for one. For two, I am very low maintenance on a regular basis when it comes to makeup. I do my makeup when I come on here, except for when I'm doing skincare reviews or something like that. But on a everyday basis, it just depends on how I'm feeling, and usually when I do apply makeup, it's pretty easy peasy, low key. So this was something that I thought would be interesting because it basically just gives you a light sheer pink, and it's supposed to match your skin tone. So it's like a one application product, I guess. I don't know how to put that. Whatever. Anyway, so let's get to it. I have opened the box already, but I have not tried the product. So packaging, when you get it, it comes in this little box. This blue thing is just me covering my address for safety reasons. I'm sure you understand. Packaging is pretty nice. Has their branding all over the box. Okay, so when you open it up, of course it comes, the inside is pretty. It says, but first makeup. Has this lovely floral print, and as you can see, I love my florals. But yeah, so the inside is really pretty and colorful. There's this pink tissue paper on the inside. When you open it up, here is the product. So here's a Winky Lux Flower Balm. Can you see? Adjust. Yeah. I hope you can see the packaging for that. It also comes with a little free gift, and it's so cute. It also came with this little pen, guys. I actually love this. So, you can see it. I'm not good at this. Anyway, it's a little lipstick tube, and it says Winky Lux at the base, but it's super cute. Anyway, I'll probably put this like on one of my purses where it won't mess it up, or on my laptop bag, but I just think it's really cute. So anyway, and that's all that comes in the box. The bottom has the flower print too, so that's it. So the flower balm is $14 for an individual, or you can buy 3 for $30. I think that's a regular pricing structure that they have, and it does have free shipping for anything over $25 in the US, and free shipping for anything over $75 for international purchases. So now I'm taking this out of the box. It's a cute little tube. Y'all, I gotta get my zoom features or whatever working. But see, comes in that this little bullet size tube. And here is the product. And I got mine in blue. Is that supposed to be blue? So how cute is that, guys? So it's clear with the little flower at the bottom. Hope that's focusing. So let's get to it. Does this stuff really work? So I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see my face a little bit better. Guys, I'm not a makeup artist. Don't come for me. You know, I'm just trying out this cool product I saw. So anyway, yeah, let's get to it. So guys, I don't know if you watch any of my other videos about skin care, but if you haven't, it will be worth checking out. I'm just telling you this because I do have blotchiness around my face and all this other stuff, and I'm working on it as we speak. So like I said, don't come for me. But yeah, so anyway, let's try this bad boy out. Now the smell, it smells good. It smells like vanilla. Yeah, it has a slight vanilla smell. So let's try this out, and I'm actually gonna look in my brow thingy while I do this. Can you guys see me? Okay. Now my lips are darker, not just the rest of my skin. Like, I think I have a bad habit over the years of biting my lips. So let's see, it'll be interesting to see if it works even with my dark lips. So let's give it a minute. I want to make sure, I don't know how long it takes these things to react. Now I'm tasting it because I saw on other reviews that it has a bad taste. I mean, you can kind of taste it. It really isn't that, it doesn't stand out that much to me. Now, yeah, it's not sweet. They don't add sugar to it. And I know that they do for some lip products, but it does have a little taste to it, but it's not awful to me. And maybe they've changed the formula because I don't know how old some of the reviews were that I looked at before, but. So guys, I don't know. Do you feel like it's changing? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give this a minute and then I'm gonna come back on camera and then I'm gonna let you see again. And what I'll do is a split frame from here to what it was right before I applied the lipstick, because it's supposed to be a very subtle pink and it may be kind of hard to tell unless you're looking side by side. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me give it like 2 minutes or so and I'll come back on camera, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. Now, I don't know that it got any pinker than it was before I was off camera, but this is very bright lighting. I'll try to take a picture and insert it of me in some more natural light, but actually it does have a nice little natural pink to it. And for someone like me whose lips are also darker from biting a lot over the years, it gives me back like that natural pinkness, that healthy pinkness to your lips. So it's a very low-key, subtle, no makeup type look thing that it does for your lips. I actually do like it. I do like the pink. I do like it. So let's try one more thing. I want to see. Okay, next what we're gonna do is try it with a liner to see how it looks, if that helps it pop a little bit more. Like I said, I have some discoloration around my mouth, so it kind of takes away from sometimes my lip, what I'm trying to do with my lip, because there's not like clear definition. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I'm gonna try it with this NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner. This is in a lot of people's favorite color, Urban Cafe. Couldn't think of it. Okay, so let's apply this liner. Now this does take away from, you know, some of it being like just a quick grab and go, but it's still not too complicated. This could give you a quick, natural, kind of natural look. Just want to make sure I get it even. I love this color, guys. And this liner I could actually wear by itself. It's a nice matte. Okay. Now let's go back to our flower balm and see what happens. Guys, it broke. Okay, the base of it just broke. So it's like loose now in the thing. Hang on. And once again, I'll give it like 2 minutes and see what happens. Okay guys, so I do think that it did help add a little pinkish undertone to my Urban Cafe NYX or NYX lip liner. It is very, very subtle though. So if you want to keep more of that natural pink, don't line it as much as I did. But yeah, I mean, overall, I think the product works. I think it's very moisturizing. My lips feel good. It smells good. It's very cute. Again, while I was applying it though, this broke off of the base. I don't know. I haven't heard too much about that happening. So honestly, that could just be, you know, one of those things, a fluke or something. I'm gonna try to see if I can melt it back on there or whatever. But other than that, I mean, again, the packaging is cute. The lipstick is moisturizing. It does give you a natural pink, and I do prefer just the natural pink of when you put it on by itself. I wouldn't necessarily use it with a liner because there's so many products out there if you want more of a natural look with a liner that will work. I just think this is a cool gift idea. So it's something that I like. I don't know if I would purchase it again, but I'm not mad that I purchased it, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, go ahead. I'll put the link below. It's not an affiliate link. They do have some other cool products that I want to try. They have a glitter balm as well, and I want to see how those look because I'm all for something that you can just grab, put on, and go. So I hope this was helpful. I give this product a thumbs up. I think again it would be a great gift idea for other people as well, just to see what the results are that they get. It's a very great novelty kind of item, but it's not like a makeup staple. So anyway, tell me what your thoughts were on the product, and join me back again for more product reviews and some chit chat. Or if you're interested in health and fitness, that as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.